Good morning, Boston.
Well, it's good to have you talk to us. I'm sure yesterday, were you part of those who had sleepless nights?
Well, I try to sleep. I mean, I can't put the whole problem on my head, but yeah, it was really bad yesterday.
And you know what happens? We just get some pimples over here, isn't it? Can you see
Sorry,
me?
what did you say?
Yeah, you get some pimples around here. Some kind of things just come up here because you couldn't sleep at night. The head was a little overheating.
Was
I saw this. So the news. Let's get serious. You know, the story is all about Nigeria now getting significantly hit by this decline in crude prices, isn't it?
Yes, we're really worried now because, like you said, we're looking at what the FARC allocation will be this month. That's for what they're supposed to share. That's for July. We're really worried about that because if you look at what oil prices are trading at now, I mean, yesterday it closed at 42.96 per barrel. Although this morning it has picked up a bit to 43 per barrel, but I mean that's nothing compared to our benchmark of 53. And if you look at the average for Q2, which is about 63 per barrel, and the average for August for July and August now, which is about 52, that is a 17% decline. So if you translate it directly to FARC or something, that means you are saying that FARC might come down by maybe 17% or even more than that. So we're looking at 350 to 400 compared to the 500 or 518 we got the last time. So this is source of worry for us.
Kodili, it's a very interesting time when you see an oil-rich giant country like Saudi Arabia starting to panic a little bit about the price of crude oil, isn't it? Because Iran, also in the Middle East, is beginning to sound very tough. And they say they're putting out almost 500,000 barrels per day into the market as soon as the sanctions are lifted. So if Saudi Arabia could get into sleepless night, Nigeria should get less hours of sleep, isn't it?
Yeah, yes, they should. I mean, Iran, yes, the Prime Minister continued to say that immediately sanctions are lifted, they are going to put oil in the market, irrespective of what the price is. And even though Saudi Arabia likes to play tough, that is not going to change its stance by maybe reducing production or anything. I mean, we're seeing it open its stock market to FDI to help it diversify its economy from oil. I mean, if you look at Venezuela as well, and I think last week or so, I heard they are trying to sell part of their gold reserves to raise funds to help their deficit. Same for Iraq as well. It's planning to issue its first international bond, seeking to raise about $6 billion to help its widening fiscal deficit. So, I mean, all these other countries that even produce more oil, have larger external reserves, are doing all these things. Then we, Nigeria, that our reserves are not seen at all, then yeah, we should be worried.
Okay, Kodili, let's leave it at that for now. Let's catch some breath. Perhaps we'll get something to put some smile on our faces for the day.